Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road Spare Tire Jerrycan Mount. Universal for the following bolt patterns. Step 1. Begin assembling your mount, starting with placing the cradle onto the cradle rail. Line up the bottom holes and secure the two together with the included M6 bolts, washers, and nuts with a 4mm hex wrench. Next, remove the backing of the large adhesive foam and place it firmly into the bottom of the cradle. Step 2. Remove the backing of the circular foam and apply it firmly to the cradle tire mount so that the holes line up. Next, remove your vehicle's spare tire and place the tire mount onto the carrier studs so that they rest evenly in one of the 3 smallest fitting holes. Resecure your tire. Step 3. Place the cradle rail onto the mount rail. Adjust how far or close you would like the mount to sit, and secure it with the 3 remaining bolts, washers, and nuts with a 5mm hex wrench and a 13mm socket. The 2 longer bolts will insert through the sides, with the shorter entering through the top. Finally, insert your desired jerrycan and secure it with the included ratchet strap. And you're done. Enjoy your Fishbone Off-Road Jerrycan mount.